Aloha! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kay How, Easy Hawaiian, and today we'll be making poke. We'll be making not too traditional poke. It has mayo, which is not traditional, and avocados. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so today we are going to make another type of poke. This one is more modern. It's not as traditional because we use a bunch of stuff that is not traditional Hawaiian poke, but we still love it in Hawaii. So first thing we have is our ahi poke right there, and we have our Hawaiian salt with a lye from the island of Kauai from my good friend Terry Lynn. So we're going to put salt, and then we have our Inamona, which is the roasted kukui nuts. If you can't get kukui nut, because I know, most of us aren't on Hawaii anymore, not there. You don't have a good friend to send it to you like I did. Like one of my BFFs in Kona named Tracy. I used to work with her. And she sent me that and a whole bunch of Hawaiian food. I'm so happy. So anyway, if you don't have kukui nut, what you can use in a pinch is roasted peanuts. You take the roasted peanuts and you chop them up really fine to make this. And it'll give it a nice nutty flavor. So again, sweet onions, but put however much you want. Some people don't like onions or very little. Then to give it some heat, we're going to put some sriracha. So let's see, this is about 1/4 pound. So sriracha, depending on how hot you want it, I just kind of drizzle it over the top and looks good. Don't want it too hot. The other thing I like having in there is avocados. So put a bunch of avocados. And then in Hawaii we love mayo. But of course it's got to be best foods. So for about 1/4 pound, that's a tablespoon, like 1 heaping tablespoon, should be good. And then you just mix it all up. See, with poke, you don't want to mix it too much, otherwise you get the fish all mushy. That's no good. So really it's just tossing it around to get it coated good. And it smells wonderful. And I actually want more avocados in there. I just gotta throw the whole thing in. So my auntie Midge in Texas, she was asking for this, and my cousin too. One of my cousins is a mean one, Debbie. So here we go. That's all you do, throw it around. You can add other stuffs if you want, like sesame seeds or even furikake, which is a seaweed with sesame seeds in it. So that gives it a great flavor too. And there you go. Easy. Thanks for tuning in to Easy Hawaiian. Aloha. Thank you so much for tuning into Easy Hawaiian. And thank you for liking and sharing, and click the subscribe button, that bell there, and you can learn more easy Hawaiian things. Ahui ho, malama pono.